Very good morning to everybody. Now, the ninth standard, the subject is geography. What is geography means? The geo means earth, graphy means study. The study of earth is called geography. Then, you know where do you live? On earth, isn't it? Now, the topic is lithosphere. Endogenetic process. Lithosphere, endogenetic process. This is the topic. Now, the earth is unique planet. What is unique? That is not compared to any other. It is a great. The earth is unique planet of solar family. You know solar family, that other solar family, the earth is very, very important. The earth is composed 4 spheres. What are they? Namely, number 1, the lithosphere, number 2, atmosphere, and number 3, biosphere, and 4, the biosphere. What are the 4 spheres of our earth? Number 1, the lithosphere. Number 2, atmosphere. Number 3, hydrosphere. Number 4, biosphere. The lesson focus on the internal process of the earth. The lesson is focuses on internal process of the earth. What earth is made up of? This is earth, isn't it? Where do you live? You live on a earth. Where do you live? Students, we live on earth. Okay. Whatever earth is made up of, the earth can physically be described as the ball of rock. You know that is a ball. It is like a rock. The lithosphere. What is the lithosphere around it? Water bodies. The hydrosphere also water bodies. The hydrosphere is water body. And an envelope of air, the atmosphere. The full of atmosphere, the air is around there. All living organism, you know, the living organism, birds, animals, and also human beings. They are called the biosphere. Now, okay, the students, do you understand the 4 layer? Number 1, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Then now we go to the spheres of earth. The earth's surface, a vast area. You know the earth is around in full, that a vast area, not only in a particular area. It is the sphere of vast area, great area. What is the vast? The great area. How many million square kilometer? 510 million square kilometer. The earth's surface is vast area of 510 million square kilometer, where the 4 spheres of the earth interact. The 4 spheres interact the earth. The biotic, abiotic spheres are lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. What is consist of abiotic? The abiotic spheres are lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. The biotic sphere is biosphere. The earth is, where is it? Now, one of the planet. 9 planet, you know, the earth is one of the planet. Now, I go to the structure of the earth. You know, in each and everything, any one of the structure, isn't it? Now, the structure of the earth. The structure of the earth is, the earth interior is divided 3 layers. What are the 3 layers? The question will ask, what are the layers of the earth? How many? The division. There are 3 divisions. What are they? Number 1, the crust. Number 2, the mantle. Number 3, the core. Do you understand? What are the 3 layers? That is, one is mantle, then second that is a crust, and the third is the core. These are the 3 layers of the earth. And number 1, the lithosphere, how is it? It is a solid. You know, this one, the chalk example, how is it? It is a solid. But in water, liquid. Do you understand the differentiate? What is solid? What is liquid? So, the lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth. Where is it? The lithosphere, outer part of the earth. And the atmosphere, it is very thin layer. The atmosphere is very thin layer. What is it? That consists gases. You know, the gases that surround the earth. If your main part, the atmosphere, if you know air, how do you live? So, the atmosphere is a thin layer of the gases that surround the earth. Now, that is, do you understand? The hydrosphere, water part of the earth's surface. You know the water, the earth's surface, the water body. Example, the oceans, rivers, lakes, water vapor. And again, the biosphere. The biosphere is the layer of the earth where life exists. The biosphere is the layer of the earth where life exists. It is very important than other sphere. Next one, the crust. What is crust? The outer layer of the earth. This is the structure of the earth, the outer layer. That is the crust. And then crust of the outer layer, the skin of the earth. How in our body, then not a skin. How is it look like your body? It is a skeleton, isn't it? So likewise, the crust is very important. The outer layer of the earth, it is skin of the layer. The skin of our earth. So, the crust is the outer layer of the earth where we live. It is the skin of our earth. How many kilometer? 5 to 30 kilometer. The crust is classified. Number 1, continental crust. Number 1, continental crust. Number 2, oceanic crust. Oceanic crust. The major elements, the crust, Cl, Si and aluminium. Then first letter Cl, Si. Then aluminium, the first two letter Al. So it is called Sima and Cl. The major elements of the crust. The major elements of crust, Cl and aluminium. Sima, Si, silica, Ma, magnesium. The terms lithosphere and crust are not same. It is different. The lithosphere includes the crust and the upper part, that is the mantle. You know, just like this is the upper part, that is the under, that is the bottom. The upper part is called the mantle. The lithosphere include the crust and upper part of the mantle. The lithosphere, you know, that is the Mercury, the Venus and Belly, you know, the stars, and Mars are much thicker, one more rigid than the earth. Which is the thicker? The question will ask, which is the thicker one more than the earth? Number 1, Mercury. Number 2, Venus. Number 3, Mars. Number 3, Mars. What is continental crust? Now the student, I will go to the continental crust. What is continental crust? The made up of Cl. The oceanic crust, it is made up of Sima. 2 crust, one is continental, Kandangal. You know already in early classes, in 8th standard, you study about a continent. So the crust is 2. One is continental crust. What is made up of? It is made up of Cl. Number 2, oceanic crust. It is made up of Sima. The mantle is another part of the earth. It is interior part beneath the crust. Crust, mantle, and then interior part. It is called mantle. How many kilometers that thick? 2,900 kilometer thick. The mantle is 2,900 kilometer thick. Then the major elements. What are the question will ask? What are the major elements of the mantle? Number 1, silica. Number 2, magnesium. So it is called Sima. Then one more question asks, why it is called Sima? Cl, Si plus magnesium, Ma. So Si plus Ma is equal to Sima. That is the main name. So it is called Sima. The next part is core. What is core? Innermost, hottest layer of the earth is called core. The core is innermost, hottest layer of the earth. It lies below the mantle. It is composed mainly nickel, Ni, and iron. So, hence it is called knife. Ni, nickel, first 2 letter Ni. Here that is the iron. So, it is called a knife. The core, how many divisions? There are 2. What are they? Number 1, solid inner core. Number 2, liquid inner core. Example, you know, that is a egg. It is a outer layer. How is it? It is a solid. Then inner, that is a liquid stage. The white color, that is in a liquid stage. It is the example. Now, what is the division of the core? That one is a solid inner core. Number 2 is liquid outer core. The presence of the large quantities of the iron in the core. The one word answer person will ask, which layer the more content for the iron? What is the answer? That is a core. The presence of large quantity of iron in the core. Do you clear? So next, another important for the core, that is gravitational force. Then example, then I threw that chalk. Yes, right? I will throw up the chalk. Where to fall? On earth. Why? What's the reason? Why it is not a go up? Why the chalk is lying down? Because the earth has gravitational pull. That is a gravitational force. This is a two important. One is iron content largely in the core. Number two, gravitational force. And next, the earth rotates on its axis. Then how the earth rotates on an axis. And this, the axis, liquid outer core. That earth, already I told, the earth one is solid inner core. Number two, liquid outer core. So the earth how to rotate? The earth rotates liquid outer core. It is spins solid inner and generate the earth magnetic field. You know the magnetic, that is a pull power, gravitational power. Okay, now what is that is the core? Do you understand? Now next, rocks. What is rocks? How it is made up of? The crust of a storehouse of rocks. It is a minerals. The earth crust. The minerals of the earth crust is called rocks. It may be hard. It is not a liquid stage. It is very hard. It is compact like a granite. The soil, how is it? It is a loose material. Now the granite, how is it? It is a hard. Then clay, soft. And sand, loose. The sand, that's like that. If you take a sand, then the water is full there. It is a loose material. The porous, what is pore? That is a hole. So that is a loose as sand. Now the earth is a storehouse of rocks. The minerals of the earth crust is called rocks. It may be hard, like granite. It is soft clay or loose or as a sand. What are the types of rocks? The types of rocks, three. What are they? Number one, igneous rocks. Number two, sediment rocks. Number three, metamorphic rock. Igneous, the word is derived from Latin word. The igneous is meaning fire. Where do the word coming from? Latin word. It is the first types of rocks. The igneous, that is a meaning for fire. Then vast, that a very hot molten. Then the material, the very hot material like lava. You know how is it? Then during the next I will go to the earthquake. Then the outcoming of first layer, that is a lava. So the igneous is derived from Latin word. What is the meaning? Fire. How is it? Very hot molten material. How do you call? Magma. How do you refer? It is referred as lava. Igneous rocks is called a primary rock because that only for that all the rocks are formed directly or indirectly formed the igneous rocks. So it is called a mother rock or primary rock. Now go to the sedimentary rock. What is sedimentary rock? The sedimentary rocks, it also, that is a Latin word. It is sediment. What is the sediment means? Meaning settle. You know that is during the water is running or the waves will came. that are sediment for some minerals, that is a deposit for that layer. It is hard, so it is called a sedimentary rock. Now what are the plants and animals and layers? That is a fossil. This one limestone and sandstone, that is chalk and gypsum and coal, that is example for sedimentary rock. What are the examples for the sedimentary rock? Chalk, coal, limestone and gypsum. These are the sedimentary rock. Now I go to the third types of rocks. What is the third type? That is a metamorphic rock. What is metamorphic rock? The word is derived from the word metamorphosis, which is the meaning, that is a change of form. The meaning, the change of form. The igneous, and it is a heat. The earth interior part, it is very heat and pressure, the undergoing, so completely change. That is the granite and limestone. These are the forms. The quartzite, that is a change, and that rock is called metamorphic rocks. And this earth rotate, that is a rock how to, this is a cycle. How? The three igneous rocks and the sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Look at the book. This is the three type. Again the changes. It is called rock cycle. Then again the geomorphic process. What is geomorphic? Geomorphic. What is geomorphic? That process. Internal part of the earth, the process, the landscape, the change for topographic. Then natural agents is very, very important. You know what are the natural agencies? Wind. Do you create a wind only in a fan or AC or otherwise? That is, the wind is coming from the natural. So the natural agents, wind, one is example, then waves, then second, the glaciers, the running of the water, wind. These are the external process. And what is internal process? The internal, the earth crust, the radioactivity, the source of the power, it is called a internal process. அதாவது உள்ள இருந்து மேலே அப்படியே வர்றது, அதுதான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இன்டர்னல். உள்ளே இருந்து மேலே வர்றது தான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? தட் இஸ் இன்டர்னல் தட் ப்ராசஸ். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளேட் டெக்டானிக். வாட் இஸ் அ பிளேட்? தென் எர்த், புவியினுடைய தட்டு. புவியினுடைய தட்டு. இப்போ பூமி எர்த் இருக்கா? ஒன் லைக் அன் ஆனியன். இன் த பிகினிங் ஐ am telling the earth is like an onion. Then one layer and second layer, third layer. That like that a crust, earth and a mantle, isn't it? So the புவியினுடைய தட்டு அப்படிங்கிறதுனா plate titanic. Then it is the word the titanic plate. The lithosphere, that is a divide. How? The planet independently, the mantle, the ocean floor, the plate. Where does the ocean, the Titanic occur? The phenomena means area. That is called plate tectonic. The types, convergent boundary. புவியினுடைய இது இப்போ this is like a table. இதோட விளிம்புன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதே போல தான். தட் இஸ் அ பிளேட் பவுண்டரிஸ். நம்பர் ஒன், கன்வர்ஜென்ட் பவுண்டரி. இட் இஸ் a plate skin and other, that is a sub. Example, fold mountain. You know the Himalayas is the example, fold mountain. Divergent boundary. The plate pull away. The plate is a pull away, that is each other, magma and the mantle. It is Atlantic ridge. Atlantic ridge. That is an example for divergent boundary. Then conservative. Conservative boundaries. What is conservative? It is a horizontal way. It is the plates like horizontal. That is called that is conservative transform boundary. Then what is the movement of continental plate? The continental plate, it is upward and downward. Number one, the plate is two. What are they? One is upward and another is downward. It is like a folding. Folding. Example, the process folding lofty mountain. What is the example for fold and lofty mountain? Then one is the Himalayas. Number two, Alps. ALPS. Alps in Europe. The Himalayas in India. And according that is the Gondwana and Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America. These are the example. Another, the next we pass to earthquake. Earthquake. What is the sudden vibration? Shortly, do you understand? If sudden that shaking, if in a room that how the tumbler or any plate that shakes sudden movement, the vibration according to that is the earthquake are generally caused by sudden vibration in the earth crust. It is called earthquake. The earthquake direction, how do the point where is the earthquake found, the point of the earthquake is called a epic or that is a hypocenter. What is the point origin of the earthquake is called focus. The origin, the point of earthquake is called focus. FOCUS. Then the hypocenter, otherwise it is called a hypocenter. The epicenter is the point of the earth's surface. It is directly or indirectly. Next, that is seismic waves. Waves, if you visit the beach area or seashore area, the waves do you directly if you saw. It is seismic waves. That what is seismic waves? Earthquake generate. It is a nature. Then speed. That is called seismic waves. It is two types. What are they? That is primary waves. Then or another name P waves. Primary, what is the first letter? P. That is the P waves is called first. The first, that is earthquake, the epicenter is called primary waves. And second, secondary waves. The first letter S, it is another name S waves. It is solid. The ground perpendicular direction, that is secondary waves or S waves. And surface. What is surface waves? The surface waves is primarily the ground survey. The average for kilometer, the waves 5 kilometer. How many waves? The 5 kilometer. Then students, we already know about tsunami. The tsunami is then the word is derived from Japanese word. Then Japanese in a harbor waves. The waves, Japanese term. The tsunami is a Japanese term meaning harbor waves. It is seismically the cause for the earthquake. The waves travel very high speed. Nearly that is according to 600 kilometer. The waves reach height more than 15 meter near the seashore. That is what will occur. It is destruction the life and property of the peoples and the damages it is causes for the outbreak of the tsunami. Then volcano, what is that is earth surface, that is exist surface, already I am telling lava. Magma chamber, vent under volcanic core. The liquid stage of the rock and vent is a opening outcome of the tower. Then crater. What is crater? It is a bowl shape. You know the bowl like that? It is a bowl shape. The deposit, the top of the volcano. This if you saw the pictures, that is volcano, magma and then vent. That is called a vent or crater and then that is a lava. This term volcano, that is a god of fire. In a Roman god, the name of Roman god, that is like a fire. What will come outcome of that volcano? Fire, isn't it? So the Roman god, the fire. This is a three type: active volcano, dormant volcano and existent volcano. Now the students, if you doubt any clear, then ask the doubt, I will clear. And already I sent through that is a link lesson for this lesson. And exercise question answer I will return, and question papers already I will send to you. If you any doubt, you write the test. If you ask any time, I will clear your doubt. Thank you, students.